bringing to you a video on what fits in my Givenchy Soft Antigona medium bag. I was asked to do a video about what fits in this bag by one of my viewers, Heather Chu. So I'm just going to show you all what fits in my bag. I just grabbed a few things around my house and let's get started. So first, I would like to show you that, of course, a wallet fits in my bag. This is my Givenchy wallet, and I'm going to actually just put it right inside this pocket. Okay, next I have an older version of an iPad, so I'm going to put this in my bag. And I'm going to actually undo the claps on the ends to make room. Okay. Alright, the next item that I'm going to put in my bag is an HP Chromebook. Okay. Okay, so far we have a small wallet, we have an iPad, and we have an HP Chromebook. I am also going to put inside just a regular notebook. Okay, as you can see, there's still room. I have a little pouch with some everyday essentials like lotion, hand sanitizer. Going to place that inside. Also have a bottle of water. Okay. And I also have Tom Ford sunglasses. Also, I have Christian Louboutin. I believe these are the Gel Play-Doh heels. Gel Play-Doh. So I'm going to try to fit these in my bag and see if they will fit. You all, I believe that's all that can possibly fit in here. It's pretty heavy now. I wouldn't try to carry this, but I'm just showing you what can fit in this Givenchy Soft Antigona medium toe. Okay, this would be super duper heavy, okay, if you try to tote this around, all right? But I wanted to do a video because one of my viewers, Heather Chu, she asked me. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also please subscribe for more videos to come. You all have a blessed day.